what's up, y'all? Dreader here, and we're back with another video. Hey, today I'm in Atlanta, so it's summertime. It's gonna be out. Right now, we at this bike shop. I'm gonna show y'all. That boy Makai win. Yo, they got the it's a nice little 250. Boy, yo, this a Kickstarter.
It's a Kickstarter?
Yeah, Kickstarter, I'm on. Yo, I wanna get, one day I'm gonna get a little bike like this.
Oh, one of them? These little ones, bro?
The little ones, bro, this a 2-stroke. Look at it.
Yo, I didn't even see that.
That pipe big. All right, bet. So we finna cop this bike right here. Something slight, nothing too crazy. We just giving it a test feel. How you feeling?
Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna die.
This bike is huge, man.
I gotta use the bathroom real quick.
Black shirt, black coat, black chain, black beans, black.
Yeah, start. You might need a tool, bro. What are you trying to do with the gas cap here? Yeah, man. Right. So first of all, you gotta put that shit.
Might need a glove.
Oh, actually, it's getting a lot.
I don't get no fuss today. Gas pack strong, we rolling all the way. I don't wanna fall in love, but I'ma try it. Baby, if I fuck her, let me start her from the pilot. Let's play games, no rules. We wildin', sun-kissed angels, shawty vibing. If I said I loved you, would you think that I was lying? I ain't playing games, I'm trying to take to it.
You got a bike starter right there. I used to looking a little dirty. Makai gonna get the cam on the way back. Here go Nehemiah. Now let's see the puppies. Alright, so we was just here for a little bit. About to hop right back on the bikes. Put my shit on.
Sometimes no juice world, lose it in my mind sometimes. Feeling stupid, loving you is like a kind sometimes, yeah. I be caught up in my mind, I be caught up in my mind, I be caught up in my mind. But I don't get no fucks today. Gas pack strong, we rolling on the way. I don't wanna fall in love, but I'ma try it. Baby, if I fuck her, let me start her from the pilot. Let's play games, no rules. We wildin', sun-kissed angels, shawty.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Heard the voicemail and she done lost it. Hear the silence, hear the water from the faucet. 1, 2, 3, we lasted longer than an auction. Thought I sold it, but it ain't no way she bought it. Time to fill up the wood with narcotics. Yeah, I'm up in the trees if you need me. Yeah, back up in the